My friends, let's take a close-up look at the wand right here. You can see this is very ergonomic, hand fits nicely. It's got the nice little threaded guy here. Attached with some screws here if you're trying to take it apart. Oops, looking at the wrong spot. You see the little metal shaft thingy going through. Come on, camera. It's got this guy here, I guess you can undo it. Kind of unscrew it there, maybe. Brass looking connector here. Straight down to the end. Let's see this guy. Lots of different things attached onto here. That's what it looks like.